At Signature Solar, our fulfillment team plays an important role in making sure our customers get their items packaged and shipped on time. Let's meet some of the staff that make it all happen.
Hi, my name is Nick. I'm the warehouse production manager here at Signature Solar. Here in our warehouse, we take the packaging process very seriously. Every shipment is important to us. We know our customers expect it, and we expect that here of our warehouse associates and everybody that works with us. Our whole team knows that. We want our customers to know that we do everything in our power to ensure that it gets out of here the way it should. And hopefully we've done what we can do to the best of our ability to get it to its destination in one piece and not any other way that our customers would expect. We drive it home with these guys to make sure that when we're packaging it, we're looking at the little details, the way we strap it, the tension on the straps, the way it's wrapped, the way it's marked, to ensure the delivery to our customer is what they expect and we expect here as well as a company. Our fulfillment process in the warehouse actually begins in our shipping office. Once they produce the paperwork necessary for our packages and shipments to go out, we receive them in the warehouse and we jump into action. We begin to process the order. Our warehouse associates, they take that order from start to finish, pick, pack, whether it's an LTL or a parcel, depends on where they go from there. Every order's different, so they handle it accordingly. And in the LTL shipment process, we palletize it. We obviously QC every order that goes out to make sure that it's accurate to the best of our ability. And we do have a QC department for that, I might add. They're a part of our process out here. Once it's QC'd, it's packaged on the pallets. We strap it, we wrap it. Like I said, every shipment's different, so it really depends on what's on that shipment. Panels, large components, say inverters, large batteries, smaller components, they're all boxed together, put in a box and padded and packaged individually. And then they're added to the pallets where it's strapped according to the order. We have a unique strapping process for different types of orders. And then wrapped, the markings are added for hazmat, if it's going that way. If it's an international order, it'll need those. But most domestic, we finish the wrapping and add our fragile stickers, our other markings to the package, and make sure that it looks good and that it's going to make it to its destination the way we intend it to and our customers expect.
My name is Leah, and I am the shipping specialist lead. We want to make sure that when we're building orders, we want to make sure that everything the customer has ordered, we put on the paperwork. What's put on the paperwork, we want to make sure is what's put on the pallet. What's put on the pallet, we want to make sure that gets to the truck and is delivered promptly to the customer without, hopefully, any issues.
So the process begins when we receive these packets from our shipping office. It tells us what we need to pick. It's got a picking list on there. It tells us how it's configured by the BOL that goes to the shipper. And our guys and gals look at that information and figure out how they're going to configure the order on their pallet. The guys will take this packet and proceed to put the order together, however it's configured, and go from there. Once our warehouse associates receive their order and the paperwork that goes along with that and see what they're dealing with, then they'll proceed over here to put the order together and palletize it. These gentlemen here are strapping together a panel order with other components to go with it based off the configuration that's given to them through our shipment office. And you can see they're putting the strapping and finishing touches on this one. We use multiple types of straps, both vertical and horizontal. Bundle straps horizontal to hold it together and give it that platform. And then we strap it together on the pallet and do our best to make sure it doesn't shift during transit with enough tension on those straps. They'll finish it off with a unistrap in the middle to help tie it all together. They'll wrap it up. They'll mark it with the fragile markings and any hazmat that's necessary for this order. And our QC guys will get the QC in it to make sure it's 100% accurate before it goes out the door. You're looking at a pretty much finished panel package here. Once they get it wrapped up and they've got those interior straps on, the bundle straps along with the vertical straps, multiple, 4 in total that go this way. We will actually add a unistrap here. We came up with this when we were having some panels that were falling over occasionally. We decided to fortify it in the middle with this extra strap, and it's one strap that wraps around multiple positions on the pallet and goes to the other side, does the same thing, and comes back on itself to help reinforce the center of the pallet itself and the panels. You can see they're very solid. The straps are all really solid. We add these final 3 on the outside of the wrapping to help solidify it to the bigger boards on the pallet. And hopefully that package is solid enough to make it to its destination in one piece. We finish it off by putting this hat on top. This is more important on the flat panels, but we do it on all shipments of panels going out of the warehouse, just to make sure our carriers aren't setting anything on top of these fragile panels in transit that could cause any type of damage to the frame or the panel interior itself. It's just that little extra. We make sure that we got it well marked, as well as finish it off with the hat on top to keep it hopefully from getting damaged in transit. Next step in our process of shipment is quality control check. Our QC team, which works out here really close with us, and our warehouse associates, they check everything, and then they've got the final paperwork and BOL that goes on the package. Once it's obviously past QC, they tag it with the necessary paperwork, depending on where it's going. The international obviously has a lot more markings, hazmat stickers, etc. But these all have a reason for why they're there. Our carriers look at this. Obviously, it's got the tracking information on it. It's scanned when it goes in the truck and loaded after this. These stickers, if you see them when they show up, those just signify to us which carrier they're going. And obviously all the information of the order we just processed is here, along with the paperwork for our shipper.
Hi, I'm Iris. I'm the fulfillment manager here at Signature Solar. When I started, I implemented the quality control department. They inspect every shipment, they inspect the order, and what the item is being received is what we ship. Instead of having mistakes, we're making sure the quality is there.
Hi, my name is Guillermina Santos, and I am the warehouse operations manager. We track customer success upon the receivable process. We ensure that the packaging and the quality of the goods that we are receiving are in good condition. So when we do ship those items out, that the end customer does receive, an overall good packaging, and their items are received in good condition. We receive inbound shipments either through containers or freight liners that come in, and they can have various things. When we receive those items, we use the warehouse management system that we are using through the NetSuite system to receive those items to, one, get accurate inventory counts and just have better visibility of what our inventory looks like on a day-to-day. My team is managing the overall inventory to ensure stock levels are where they need to be for the fulfillment process itself. Knowing that inventory is correct helps the overall customer experience know that they're going to get their products in a timely manner.
Hi, my name's Zoe, and I'm an inventory specialist. Most of my duties come before the order is placed, which is counting and ensuring inventory accuracy so our customers have the ability to purchase the solar equipment they're in search of. And then it goes to our shipping or freight team, which they generate the bill of ladings, which are how our equipment actually goes to the customer. And then that then goes to our warehouse personnel who builds the order, which actually picks the products, packs the products, and puts it on the back of a truck to go out to our customers.
What I would like customers to know is that when your order gets to our department, we do our best to make sure we're choosing the right carrier for their area, no matter where they're at, because we ship worldwide. I mean, we ship direct, USPS, UPS, and FedEx, and we just want them to know that we're building it the best we can, and we are choosing the best carriers that's going to get their product to them in a timely manner and all together. This person lives way out here. What can we do to get their product to them? Do we need a semi? Do we need a flatbed? What do we need to do? Do they need to come to the terminal? I mean, that's what we do back here, is make sure that their order is built correctly, it's built correctly out there, it's put on a truck, and the truck makes it to their destination.
How our fulfillment in-house works with our customers is they have that security of knowing there's good hands touching their product, that we're very, like I said, diligent, we ensure accuracy in everything we do, that their products are being taken care of and shipped to them correctly. I think a customer should expect, if this is their first freight delivery, definitely some difference. It's not going to be like an Amazon package. It's going to be a little bit more heavy load, to be prepared for the bigger, larger products coming, the heavier products, and just to know that our freight and customer service team is there for them every step of the way.
You really want to be there when they deliver. You really do, because they're coming off a big truck and they're being lifted off a big truck. And you want to make sure that your product is being handled with care.
Definitely look into what may work best for you. You know, some of our carriers do better in snowy areas. Some people do better in not so snowy areas. We have definitely carriers that pick and choose where their strong suits are. And so I definitely look at your living demographic and look at what shipping may work better for you.
So our parcel shipments have their own little area of the warehouse. They get their own special treatment. This is our parcel area. You can see we've got our boxes and everything that we ship all of our smaller components in, ready to go with padding. These guys have everything they need to process the parcels out. Parcels are a big part of our operation on a daily basis. A large number of parcels go out each day, and our parcel team, it's pretty much a full day of work for them just getting our parcels out of the warehouse with the number we're seeing and the volume. But they're well equipped. They've got everything they need over here. We have our own station where we do print the labels for each of our shippers, parcel shippers, and everything that's needed to get those out expeditiously is located right here in our warehouse in their own little area. Once they process them here, they go straight to our parcel dock and are loaded on the truck that day. So there's no delay at all in getting those out of the warehouse on a daily basis.
I feel like the shipping team is one of the best teams ever, and I will say that because it's my team. But they work hard every day, and that's something they enjoy, working and making sure they do their job and satisfy the customer.
I think that all customers should know that we have, every department here has amazing workers, and everyone comes to work with 10 toes down, ready to rumble. And I think that we have a very, very healthy and respectable work environment.
I think my team has done a great job with the movement from one facility to the other over the past few months. Lots of long hours, and I'm very proud, not only of my team, but to be working for Signature Solar now.
As you can see, our teams are dedicated to transforming the way people think about solar through knowledge, solutions, and support. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our channel and join us next time. I'm Kelly with Signature Solar, where we believe solar is for everyone.